Salseng si Marak udah unang elam barat ba jong keseng kongres. Bad ulami khmat kum MLA jong ka resubel para labun sien, bad ke snem syajar kendai spa kendai pulai. Ula syajit kum Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla, bad ulayo ban sencar san snem purai ke sorkar Jylla. Haka ba ulayo ke jengkershan ba ke jengshania nagi MLA. Salseng udah unang elam ulayo ke jeng iet ni kipat ba kamtam, habaki syemiu kum ubrio ubam dan benta haki nuki kam bamsap. Kajing Khlad no Salseng si Marak kelong kajing do nong kabakrau ya kipat ba karilom garo bad ke Jylla hi barok kowe. Kinong mi khmat narilom garo kilapen pau ba kajing Khlad no jong Salseng si Marak kam de kajing do tang ya kayeng kesem jong u. Ndai kede kajing do kabakrau kipat garo bad ke Jylla hi barok kowe. Bad kila pertoru ikikam kibabha kibau Salseng ulale na kebenta ke Jylla Meghalaya.
Kendai spa kendai pulai hadu ukat kendai spa kendai pulai kaba sulong peaceful be na imat akat ko por la dengan bakla imat lat ke operation umdan kia trailang baro hab lu pomot ki MLA ki don ke jistu jumut ngayo ya ka jigdip ka kana ka ba kia kren kini ki MLA ki seniors hapo ka jilam jong ba Marak ba andalawai office kelalong ke kabinet akaba unu MLA udan kamu buat haying jong u hadin kan lu sistem nyau biji manwet kaple akaba kia keren je ki kam ki jam ki de nam ta roi kapat bat na kam ta bejing biang hi jong ka Jylla ba ki konstitusi ba namar ba ha ka jing ya ple jemut ka jing ya thokana pateng la pateng haduk mentang lampi syapam kanam keburung jom Marak kadang terikam de mangi kumki MLA ki badin ki bam ya trelang bat i hakata kaporo ni sontenat ba kerukom terikam ni sontenat ba kerukom penian ya ka sorkar bat kumju kajing dei ban parok ki lu pungut ki MLA hakata kapor de kata kalong ka wei ka duksa ka ba haga bangal so ban omba ni kumki nomi ka hakane kajuk kumang taru ngin mudin ban ngin persang ya kaban penyesrin lade ban kanika jinglong lade ka quality kaba uneu lukrau ulabu pada proyek ini
kumuwe nigi mengalam dong ka state kejumi ngapan pa ko yung susi lem bat bahaying ko ba Salseng badai ruwe ni lidar dong ka state o Meghalaya except besar way ni ridon borom wa ya timnu di baro the way acceptable leader ng state ko por yung unfortunately hatu ko por dengan panlo MLA ane nga chuo semua ba the way ni romba ba ba por mo sakri ba state ba don pon contribution bola ay state do hakiling baro khamtam ka e day berga development dan kaling nga personally nga pan pa ko jing do inu romba ka de jing do lang ndai tang ying so kum ga government lo so do la ba khaft I express condolence nga ya ka ying jung bar oi ai ba boleh kendat una yu ba you rest peacefully in peace ta kana magi ko ni tu bar ko ba plikin yo ahmed ka ba ko ba kya.
This news has come as a shock, and also we are deeply saddened by this particular news, and it is definitely a great loss to the family members of late Salseng Marak, to his people, and it is also a great loss to the state as a whole. Mr. Salseng Marak has served for a full 5-year term as the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, but beyond that also in many positions and different capacity he has served the people of his constituency and the people of the state, and it's been, as I said, a great loss to the state, as he has contributed in many ways to the people and to the state as a whole. At this point in time, I would like to express my deepest condolences to the bereaved family members, and pray to Almighty that He may give strength to the family members and to His people, to bear this great loss that they've had. And I pray to Almighty that his soul may rest in eternal peace.
It is a very sad moment for all of us because she is the first MLA who was elected, you see, from the general election after creations of Meghalaya state. And he was elected for 7 times from the same constituency. He, as a man, he was very good. And then he is very friendly with everybody. That's why I see everybody like him. And he's a very disciplined party man. Till now, he has not said anything against his party, nor he left the party. So he is still in the same party. Though he was not elected, but he has not spoken anything against the party. And I kind of start contesting with him right from 1978. And he was my opponent always, and I am his opponent all the time. But there is not a single occasion, say during the election campaign, that he spoke something against my personal. And I have never spoken on any single occasion anything against his personal. That is the way we used to do this election campaigning. So anywhere we met each other, we used to shake hands, we used to talk, say not as an opponent, but as a friend. In fact, you see, my father, late father, and his late fathers were also very friendly, very closely. They say they are very, very close. When his father was a teacher at the Sangram in 1950s, he used to come to my father's house on every Saturday and return to the Sangram every Sunday evening on foot. There was no transport nor vehicle. He did not have even bicycle also. So he used to go to my father's house and he used to return to his residence at the Sangram. The distance is about 17 kilometers. So he used to walk on foot.
And it is very, I am also very saddened to hear the news of his departure. I had the opportunity of working together with him, associating with him during my young days, because when he was a chief minister, I was still a youth Congress leader. I was also in the Congress party, so I had the privilege of working together with him. And I'm very much saddened to hear this sad news. However, it is all in God's hand. So I would like to pay my respects to the departed soul, and also offer my condolences to the bereaved family of late Salseng Marak. He was a very soft-spoken person and a great leader. I would like to take this time to mention that during his time when he was a chief minister, I think that time government used to fall like pins, I would say. New governments would come, the governments would fall, but he was the one, his very able leadership, he was able to become the chief minister during his time for a full 5 years term. So that's a very great achievement, I would say. So we will miss him very dearly. When he was after his chief minister, after his retirement from politics also, I used to go and meet him. I used to seek his advice on something, and he was very glad to give us his advice or his opinions to us. So we will be missing him very greatly. But I would like to offer my condolences to the family, his sons and daughters. May God continue to give them comfort at this hour of grief.
So with his passing away, it's a very sad for us, especially a leader who was very good at heart, and he has been doing his best to give a stable government during that time when political stability was not there in those years. So he has given a good stable government, and he has tried his level best to bring the state at par with other states. So therefore his passing away has created a vacuum for us which will not be able to fill up by anybody. So I would convey my deepest condolences to the family, and may his soul rest in peace.
Harjisya menin ngadang lek atura nama ngadai ban penhelamang te potura ngayo jingtip menin ni men step nadu men sisking me kia thu ba I kam sitom jur I don ha possible hostel tura te menin ngayo ban lek pek yai akaba ngayo I sisa ke jistom la ban juri te le ngampoi berkat ploy Khlad no boleh ucip no ya I saladi tenlei kaningin ma pan ong kuno na kalian menconga simet asno kalau kejindu abakrau ya ulidar bakubungi obom don kanu kejisa kanu hanu briu uba baro kia sapertu kia ikan mau ya kikam nong yalam kiba ulayalam ya kejelam ya jungi te ngapha ya bijing skolem ya ki khun ki ti ya ki bhaying ba sen baro pat nga kermen skem ru ba blei un shimti halade ya kemensin ka bakodor ka jong uba esimarang usar esimarang badru akermen skem ba un kan maulem yangi kum ke jela mi klai baro koi ba ngin nang yai peten ha kin nong rim bat hakitin chat kiba kulap ruidak nama ta jongi kiba dang don hasla joka de khandau tengah pa evi solem ya kiba yeng basen bi baro bat na termen skem bau play undon katlem bat ki hakabakum kade kijingji hakabaskusi